Saint Alfred'S Secondary School Marngar kalara yakanam Lahduh haka district level inter-school athletics meet arhajar arpusau kabalakut no haka kharway tarik ujemang hamadan NSCA paham CM nongpo. Hakini kilai sngi kijengya kini nam Lahduh hapadeng kilai pautuli ki school na tham Ri-Bhoi kilalong ki basongshit hadu kata-kata. Ki kena school shinrang bat kentei kila say madan bat pen i yala ki jong ki sap ki pong. Don apadeng jongki kin salong kirang bat kita yalek kai badon nam Khuborjylla hakis namban wan. Yakane kalumpung yalek kai kena school lawan bat penha perda haka khatway tarik ujemang da Uraja Brahma Additional Deputy Commissioner Ri-Bhoi District kumukongsan haka jingdon rengkat lang ke kong Paidolin El Nonglat DSEO Ri-Bhoi kum kasebut kongsan ubak Bobby El Nongbet District Sports Officer ba RB Shadap President Ri-Bhoi District Sports Association ba Donald Rembai President Meghalaya Weight Lifting Association ki principal ki nong hikai bat ki khna na lai photli ki school ki balawan baneshim benta shitraham hakani kalumpung balai sngi kanthi kirang bat ki thayale kai ki bajob na kani kalumpung kin lejru ban sha hikai banya khun sahaka state level ka ban salong shen hanong ba Shillong.
Schedule for preparation. What I mean to say is the schools who are doing well in the academic board exams, I can see them they are doing well in sports activity too. So this shows the management quality of the schools. So this is a learning process for other schools to come. You know, through management, they can improve the sports activity in the schools. We see that a lot of improvement comes only when we do some analysis. Students who take part in the sports is just like, the first step to the management skills. They learn the management to organize, okay? The planning will come. Then there is in management schools, even the basics in the business organization is teach you the SWOT analysis, no? As WOT. What it means? The strength, the weakness, opportunity, right, and the threat. So these are the things you analyze to achieve your goal. So what I mean to say is that the simple analysis can really help you. Suppose today you have seen, you have winner at the same time also there are participants who could not do well. So those who could not do well, they could analyze what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths, what are my opportunities, what are my threats, okay? Then you can analyze yourself and you can improve. So these are the things, one has to go along our learning process. And sports is not only about winning. As Madam Noma has said, it's the way of bringing discipline and the unity among ourselves, the friendship, the brotherhood. There are so many things we have to learn from the sports. Sports even also it brings you fitness, not only physically but mentally also. Physical fitness also, it comes with your discipline, your routine discipline you maintain and all. Now, physical fitness, what it brings? For example, it is a process, like you can also, while applying jobs like a policeman, an army and all, you have to go for long, physical tests. So during school days, when you take part in some sort of sports activity, this gives you some sort of, pre-training for the pre-teaching for the recruitment process. My dear friends, I don't have much to say. now declare the district level inter-school at May 2024 close. Thank you. Thank you.
And all the new made records, you are all invited to join us in the victory diet so that we can have a photo session. Joyless Makri Lisha Lapang, Lisha Sim from St. Alfred, Dangya Timan from RBP Higher Secondary School.